Hey guys, good morning. Very good morning. Can you please confirm the chat? Is screen visible? Yeah, good morning. So I've given one more assignment. Okay, try to do that assignment. And those who are not completed this assignment, first assignment, how many are not completed? 1, 2, 3, 4. You need to complete the assignments because they will track every assignment, every detail. Still 37 people are there. So mentors will track each and everything. Okay, mentors, lab mentors is there, right? Mentors will track. They will create one Excel sheet. Okay, they will create one Excel sheet and they will notify that how many assignments are given, how many are done, how many are done, how many are late submissions are there. Everything they will track. Okay, it is not an easy. Okay, don't think like that. Those who are submitted is fools. Those who are not submitted. Okay, some people are submitting assignments, means you should also do submit the assignment, right? So assignments are very, very important. They will track each and everything. And finally, if any companies will come to the recruitment, suppose I am not submitted any assignments, you submitted assignments, they will not allow me. And you don't have right to question also. They will clearly show you your no assignments, late assignments, nothing you have done. So how can I allow you? That are the rules. Okay. So that's why this is, I told you, right, this is not a time pass course. You need to submit the assignments, you need to do the presentations, you need to do the write-ups and everything. That is, we agreed, right, in the starting demos only. Then only I told you, right, go and sit at home, think about today, will you able to do that or not? Then only come, I said. So you came now. So you need to do the assignments and everything. Make sure that. Okay. Don't delay that. If you have delay is there, if you have any issues is there, there's a comment section is there. Okay. Try to comment here. Sir, I am busy. I have exams. I have a family function. I have a family emergency. I have a office work. Whatever, kuch bhi do, you write here. Okay. Then they will verify and they will put some remarks. Accountability is important. I am giving the training to you. I am giving some work to you. You are not doing means that is not good. Accountability is important in your life with your friends, parents, life partner, whoever it is. Accountability is important because you are living in the society, not in forest. Okay, remember that. So I hope everyone understood. Assignments are very, very important. PDF is not opening. Navadip, let me check Navadip. Navadip. Navadip and LMNN. What is the name? With what name I can search? Navadip. What is the name? KV Navadip. So it is K. LMNOPQRST. LMNO. When K will come? Before S or after S? Why it is not opening? Couldn't preview, the file is empty. Really? The file is empty, ma. See, when I download also it is not coming. Check your file properly. Check your file properly. The file is empty. So where we stopped, if and else conditions. Let's do some more thing. Okay, after the class, you can share the screen. We'll do that. Okay. Yeah. Let's do a question. Write a program as a user enter distance in kilometers. As the user enter rate per kilometer. If distance is more than 10 kilometers, not rate per is not required here. Okay. The distance is more than 10 kilometers. Print the charge is 100 rupees. If distance is between 7 to 10 kilometers, print charge is 70 rupees. If distance is between 4 to 7 kilometers, then print charge is 4 kilometers. Sorry, not 40 rupees. 40 rupees. And if otherwise, finally we can take otherwise. Otherwise, print charge is 30 rupees. Otherwise, charge is 30 rupees. Yeah. Otherwise, charge is 30 rupees. Every day before come to the class, please practice. Ma. Go to labs, third floor. Okay, practice to 12 o'clock. Without practice, don't come to the class. Okay. Yeah, only this work, I hope. So many people. So try to practice every day. Without practice, don't come to the class at all. Practice is required. So everything is there here. You need to get the user, enter distance in kilometers. And first, how many conditions are there here? Total 4 conditions are there. So if, elif, and finally else. First one is if condition and second one is elif. Third one is elif. So Srishti distance is taken greater than 10. Yeah. Equal to, right? Equal to ma. If you give 10, the answer will give 30. Or 7. Right? Equal. This is correct. Don't give between means, don't give that and operator less than greater than operator ma. We already done elif use cases. Provide that elif use case. Like grade A, grade B, grade C, we did right? The same way. Grade A, grade B, grade C. I need more answers in the chat. The easy question. Grade A, grade B, grade C, like the same thing. Yeah. What about other? Suresh has given kilometer, then elif kilometer, kilometer. Yes, Suresh. And then Srishti has done, and Utkarsh. Distance greater than 10. You are charging 7, 4. Very good. I need more answers. Stoyev. And he has entered kilometers 10. Charge is equal to 100. I say the charge is 100 rupees. That is the print. You need to print it. Shoaib, you are printing the message finally. The output message. Yeah, fine. That's correct. Yeah, done. How many are done? What happened? This area. This area is very less. Done. Murli, what happened? Nagarani, good, I think. Yes. Yes. So step 1. What is the step 1, ma? What is the step 1? Enter, ask the user, enter the distance. Then right, how can you do that? Step 1. Distance equal to, distance your variable equal to eval of input of enter distance in kilometer. Enter distance in kilometer. Enter distance in kilometer. That is the step 1, correct? The step 1. So enter distance in kilometer. Why we are taking eval ma? So if you enter 10 in the input of 10. The default data type is what? Default data type? String data type. So string we are converting into either integer or float. That's why we are using which operator? Eval operator. We are using eval operator. That you know very well. Now next step 2 is what? If distance is more than 10 kilometers. So if condition, if distance is greater than or equal to 10 kilometers, then we are printing, what we are printing? For 10 kilometers, the charge is 100 rupees, like that. So you can do print anything, whatever you write in red color, that will print, that you already know. So the total charge is, the charge is 100 rupees. That's all. The charge is 100 rupees. Next, what is the condition? Next condition, elif. Next condition is what? Elif. You no need to write next 7 less than distance less than 10. This is not required now. This is not required. Directly you can write what you can write, ma? Distance greater than or equal to 7 is enough. Then here remove the kilometer. Then print the charge. The charge is how many rupees now? 70 rupees. 70 rupees. And similarly, elif distance greater than or equal to, what is the next? 4 kilometers. Then print the charge is 40 rupees. 40 rupees. And finally, else print the charge is 30 rupees. Charge is 30 rupees. Now let assume I provided distance. I provided distance equal to 60 rupees. How many kilometers? 6 kilometers. How many kilometers? 6 kilometers. Now come to the condition wise. First condition. What is the first condition is look like this, ma. 6 greater than or equal to 10. First condition is what? 6 greater than or equal to 10. True or false? False. So it will not enter into the which condition? If condition. So next it will come to which condition? Elif. So what is elif? 6 greater than or equal to 7. True or false? False. So it also will not enter. What is the next condition? Next condition is 6 greater than or equal to 4. True or false? True. So it will print the what is the charge equal to 40 rupees. Once it satisfies this condition means it will not execute other conditions. Understood? Once it satisfies the above condition means it will not execute the below condition. Suppose you think like that, 11, suppose you enter 11 kilometers. 11 greater than or equal to 10. True or false? True. True means it will enter which charge? 100 rupees. So even though next condition is true, but the first condition is satisfied, which means the code will stop here only. The code will stop here only. So it will not go to the next line. It will not go to the next line. So that's why now 11 kilometers, the answer is 100 rupees. 6 kilometers, the answer is 40 rupees. Yeah, note down this. Note down this. If you're not able to understand, please ask me, ma'am. But don't sit idle. Everyone should do the next question. I need at least 20 answers for the next question. The next question is, write a program as the user enter salary if salary greater than 10 lakhs. Okay, greater than 10 lakhs. Again, enter the user tax percentage. Enter the user tax percentage. So for the greater than 10 lakhs, the tax percentage is 10%. Okay, first you need to ask the salary. Next condition is what? Salary is equal greater than 10 lakhs. Again, you need to ask, enter the tax percentage also from the user. And then print the tax. Print the amount of tax paid. Print the amount of tax paid. And the calculation also you already know. Salary into tax percentage divided by 100. Correct? This we did already. Only the English language you need to convert into the code ma. Next, if salary between 7 lakhs to 10 lakhs, again enter the tax percentage, enter the user tax percentage. Step by step, that is equal to 5%. And again print the amount of tax. Print the amount of tax paid. Amount of tax paid. And similarly, yes, if salary between 4 lakhs to 7 lakhs, 4 lakhs to 7 lakhs, again same, enter the user tax percentage, that is equal now, this time is 2.5%, and then print the amount of tax paid. Otherwise print tax exemption. Tax exemption. Tax exemption, or you can say that no tax is required. No tax required. No tax required. Step by step, ma. First you need to do, this is the first step. This is the second step. Inside if condition, again, this is the third step. And this is the fourth step. Like that, all the steps will be happen. Here, how many conditions are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. So again, same here. First if, next elif, next elif, and last else. If salary greater than 10 lakhs, One spotlight before program, sir. What is the meaning of spotlight? Padmaja, what exactly you required? First line. You want what? You want first line? The first line is this Ganesh Kumar has given, right? Salary is equal to eval of input of enter the salary. Same Ganesh has provided here. Same like that. Srishti has given. Programming language is very simple, ma. Only thing is you need to convert. This is a English language. You just convert it into programming, right? Everything is here. 50% answer is here. User only. Enter the user. As the user, enter the tax percentage. You can like this. As the user, enter tax percentage. Here 10. As the user, I need more answers this time because it's very simple. I only given every answer here. Only you need to convert into programming language. The English language you need to convert into programming language. Simple. First is what? Eval of input of enter salary. Done first step. Second step is what? If salary greater than or equal to 1 lakh. After 1, how many zeros? 5 zeros. Colon. Then again after colon you go enter into the one more line. Tax percentage equal to eval of input of enter tax percentage. Correct? Next, tax calculation. Tax is equal to salary into tax percentage by divided by 100. Everyone should do this. It's very, very simple. Don't sit idle. If you don't have laptop, at least do on the notebook. But don't sit idle. It is not a movie. English language will convert into programming language. If you understood that simple trick, any programming language you can learn. Anything. Only thing is you need to think like a step by step. Avoid the syntax errors and run in step by step. Eval a equal to greater than 10. Tax percentage, print of A and B, A greater than 7. Tax percentage, A into B. Where is 100? Where is divided by 100 ma? The code is correct, but where is the divided by 100 and where is the 10 lakhs? And Suresh enter the salary, correct. Y equal to? It is only one equal, not double equal. I don't think so this code will works. Suresh. You are taking the value, right? Suresh. You are doing double equal. Double equal means comparison. Single equal means assigning. Salary greater or equal to 10. Utkarsh. 10 lakhs. Okay, 10 lakhs. That is good. tax percentage, tax calculation. Okay. But I have asked in different way, Mega. I asked you to enter tax percent and tax calculation inside the condition. You see here, under if I have given some gap, Mega. These two lines you have provided above. Okay. That means you are asking the before only. All three are you are doing before only. My requirement is in each if condition. And Sabita also you are doing same, ma. Sabita, first, what is the second step, ma? I didn't ask tax rate in the second step. Right, Sabita, where I ask the tax? Inside the salary. Inside the salary, right? Inside the salary, Sabita. Yes, Utkarsh. Yes, Suresh. Okay. Puneet, yes. Shoaib is good. How many are done? Raise your hands. I want to raise more hands. Easy, no? Easy question. Nothing hard, right? Very simple. Step by step. What is the first step? Tell me. Tell me, what is the first step? Salary equal to eval of input of enter salary. Correct? Any difficulty in this? No difficulty? What is the next one? If salary, what you need to write? Salary only. If salary greater than means what is the symbol? Greater than or equal to. Suppose how much? 10 lakhs. So 10 after that one, how many zeros? 5 zeros. Done. Colon. Then enter. Then what I need to write? Again tax percentage. Tax underscore PER equal to eval of input of enter tax percentage. Enter tax percentage. Then what I need to do? Print of amount of tax paid. Amount of tax paid, comma equal to salary multiplication with tax percentage divided by 100. Tell me any difficulty in this? Those who are not able to do, tell me in this any difficulty is there? The exact first 4 lines, exact 4 lines are same or not? Tell me. Those who are not able to do, just question yourself. First question is what? Enter salary. I hope this everyone is able to do. This is not able to do means you are not practicing well. And what is the second one? If is if only. Salary is salary only. Greater than symbol, you know greater than symbol. You know how to write 10 lakhs. And what is the next one? Ask the user enter tax percentage. Tax percentage equal to eval of input of same thing. And tax paid calculation also I only given. Everything. Everything I have written or not? Tell me those who are not able to do, why you are not able to do? Question yourself. What is the problem? Go to the labs after the class. Do it. And just now what you need to do? Just copy this. How many times? Next 3 times. Now Elif, here what will come? Elif. Now next salary is how much? 7 lakhs. How much is? 7 lakhs. 70,000. Here one more zero, here one more zero. And next, same thing, same code. No changes. And here also next what is there? Elif. Again 4 lakhs. Same code. No changes. Very easy. And then else print No tax is required. No tax is required. Very easy, ma. Very easy code. See. Below salary. If you take tax for the below salary, every time is equal only, right? That you can below salary also you can do. But my question is what? My question I ask in the inside only. I clearly mentioned, right? If salary greater than 10 lakh, then only enter the user. These things you know. This double eval you know. Now my intention is I want to make you practice. Inside if condition also you can take the ask the user. You're getting my point? This double you know, right? Number one, number two, many times we have done. So that is not my interest now. My interest is inside if also you need to able to enter the values. Mm. Mm. Greater than or equal to we have written, right? Equal to. Then it L will not work here. That it will redirect to else condition. Condition will fail. So you are giving only greater than 10 lakhs. That's all. Come. One minute.
First condition is like
If
salary is greater than 10, that is the first question. So I think
I given like this, but you need to modify into greater than equal to.
the second condition is also same. If salary is between 7 lakh to
That
10,
only. That only. This 7 is coming to 7 to 10 means above one is 10 is there, right? Which means
10 is which slab?
that only. Which means 10 you need to put greater than or equal to. That is the meaning. 7 to between 10 means 7 to 10. If we give it 10, what happen?
9% is 10.
It is which coming in which percentage? Is coming which it's coming which one you want to know? Then you need to do suppose print of like this too. Okay. Let's see now. 10 is coming to which one? 10 is coming to suppose. See. First question. Second question. Now 10 is going to where? 7 greater than. Why? Because you given 10 greater than. So it is coming to here only 10. Are getting 7 will fall this condition now. 10 will fall this condition. Why?
Because I have written as greater than 7 and here
greater
than
that's
10.
it. Correct.
But
If you want that is between only means you need to give only equal 10 here. Then if you give 10, okay. If you give 5, it will fall into first condition only. Equal to. That's it.
the salary between 7 to 10 also consider and 7 also consider. No.
But then don't give here. It is considered right. 10 consider right here.
Yeah.
Coming right equal to printing right. Equal to equal printing means it is entering to which condition? That means it is included, right? So your condition is satisfied. No problem. Yeah, good, right, everyone? Yeah, any doubts, tell me now. First of all, still anyone doing syntax errors? I hope no one. Salary is equal to given. Let enter it is. How much salary you want to enter?
10 lakhs.
10. Okay, then is asking tax percent. I want tax suppose 10 percentage. Coming, no?
That I'm not getting. No?
Why you are getting these conditions? No. Once this condition is satisfied, you will not get others. That is called if and else condition. If you are giving 7 lakhs, this first one not print. This only will come like that. Good, ma, everyone? Very good. Let's do this. Okay. Now this is the last problem in this category. Now I need minimum 30 answers. Okay. In this category, this is the last problem because I can't get the problems, many problems in your mind, same category to give the practice. Okay. Other trainers, maximum 3 questions they will give and they will finish if and else. But this is the second day. Why? Because my students should perfect in the Python, then I can fast the next statistics machine learning. So this is the last problem. I need 30 answers. Okay. Write a program. Ask the user, enter which operation you need to perform. You need to perform. Which operation you need to perform. And that operations are, the corresponding operations are, one is sum operation, addition operation, addition or multiplication or subtraction or division, 4 operations. And ask the user, enter a number 1. Ask the user, enter a number 2, step by step. Okay, first you need to get the operation, like input of enter the operation, he will write addition and that addition will save into one variable. And next question is what? Number 1 equal to eval of input of. Next what? Number 2 is equal to eval of input of. Now, if the operation equal to addition, then inside print we are doing addition operation, then print the addition of number 1, number 2 is, number 1 and number 2 is that value. You need to print the value. The same thing you need to repeat for all. Same thing you need to print for all. Now, if the operation is multiplication, and you are doing which operation now? Multiplication, and the multiplication of, and here again subtraction, and we are doing subtraction operation. Same story. Subtraction. And here division and division. We are doing division operation. And the division of. And if nothing is there, else print provide suitable operation. Provide suitable operation. Provide suitable operation. So how many conditions are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So if, elif, and final one is else. Final one is else. So first one is if, and next one is elif, and next one is elif, and next one is elif, next final one is else. Make sure you're taking here is a string type ma. Here no eval in first step. By habitat you will give the eval of input of, it will get the wrong. It is the input. String, right? It is a string. Here is direct input is enough. Input of is enough. But here number 1, number 2 is eval of input of will come. Eval of input. Eval of input of. Everything I have provided, ma. Just convert your English language to programming language, step by step. And this is the third question today, this type. We already done this type of questions in last class. Make sure that why you are doing mistake. Understand your mistakes, why you are not able to do. Same pattern questions we are doing. So this time I need more answers. This time I need more answers. User operation, number 1, number 2. User operation addition. Operation equal to multiplication. Subtraction. Division. That's it. Good. Done. Those who are not able to do today, you need to spend more time in the lab or at hostel. Definitely. If you're not spend the time today, then you will lose the entire thing. Because the same pattern we are doing and still you are not able to do means it is a serious concern. At least out of 10, 15 lines, you need to do that at least 5 to 7 lines correctly. Practice is important, ma. Practice is important. You need to get your drawbacks to make it a successful. Then only will become a successful. Addition, multiplication, subtraction. Enter input, choice. Enter your choice. Oh, this is correct. Then why this 1, 2, 3, 4 then? Sabita? You are not entering 1, 2, 3, 4, right? Then why 1, 2, 3, 4 is not required? Anyhow, you are providing addition only here. That is correct. Yeah, correct. Anything will work. Srishti. Suppose if you see Sabita has given 1, 2, 3, 4. Now she is saying to user, if you enter 1, addition operation will come. If you enter 2, multiplication operation will come. Now Sabita, what it will do? Now here input, she will give only 1, 2, 3, 4. Now you need to compare with 1, 2, 3, 4 only. Operation equal to 1, then addition will down. Operation equal to 2, subtraction will do. Like anything is possible. You can write write-offs, you can do the numbers, you can do the symbols. Very good. No need int values. In the values only you can put in the quotes. Like this. The quotes only you can give. 1, 2, like this. Enter which operation you need to perform. Eval. Very good, very good, very good, very good. Yes. And more answers. Suresh is done. Srishti is done. Sabita is done. How many are done here? Yeah. What happened, ma? Come here. Why? What is the issue is coming? Come here. I will tell you. Come. ఇంకా కాలేదు కోడ్ అయిపోలే ఇంకా those who are not able to do, come here, ask me why you are not able to do, where I am getting this. If I write again, you will feel like this is easy. Understood what is your mistake? Understood your mistakes, ma. I hope everyone is avoiding syntax errors. First of all, no errors, right? Only the logics. Logic will come slowly, don't worry. But if you're still doing errors, means that is a serious concern. Don't do the syntax errors. So Nikita is giving 1 and yes, selected choice equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes. See, so many ways you can do. Nikita is coming with solution, Sabita is coming with solution, Srishti is coming with one solution. That's the beauty of programming language. Done. So what is the first one? What is the step one, ma? Operation equal to operation equal to input of enter which operation you want to perform. Which operation want to perform? Then number one equal to eval of input of enter a number one. Then number two equal to eval of input of enter a number two. Enter a number two. Till now everyone is good. 100% success rate for this 3 steps. Still anyone failed? I want to see failure face. Okay, very good. We are good. Success rate 100%. Next condition. If operation equal to addition equal to addition, then you are printing the addition. We are performing addition operation. Then we are doing print of the addition of number one and number two is, that is dot format of number one comma number two comma number one plus number two. Till now everyone is good. Done everyone? Any mistakes you are doing here? Simple. The same thing what we mentioned here, that only be written here. See, if the operation equal to, don't write equal to. This is a English language. You need to convert into your programming language. How can you equal means? Equal means what? Double equal to. And then print off, we are doing addition operation. And same thing, now we are copying here. How many times now? Addition, multiplication, subtraction, and finally else. So first, next one is elif. And which operation here? Multiplication, subtraction, right? Subtraction, and here also subtraction, and then here minus, and here also subtraction. And next one is what? Multiplication. So here multiplication, here also multiplication, and here also multiplication, and here multiplication. And here is what? Division, and division. And here also elif, here also elif, here else. This is not required. What do we need to provide here? Provide suitable operation. And here div, and here divided by. That's it. This is the code. This is the code here. Tell me. Don't know why. Syntax error elif. Syntax error elif you are getting, because I will tell you why you are getting. Utkarsh, you. This is yours code. Let's see. syntax error. Elif OP equal to multiplication. Here multiplication you are getting means here 1 bracket close, 2 bracket close, and here you see format equal to how many ma? How many fill in the blanks you have given? Utkarsh will say. Utkarsh, tell me. How many fill in the blanks you given? 2. How many values you are providing? How many values you are providing ma? 3. That's it. Very good. So first operation I want to do multiplication. The number 1 is 20, number 3 30. Answer is operation is not defined. Spelling mistake. Operation. What is the spelling mistake here? OPRATION. TATION. Operation TATION. Correct only, right? Operation. Something spelling mistake is done. Operation. Operation. Then that is good. Then why error then? Yes, we are good. The same code we can implement in the try and exception block ma. Try here. Select all the code. Select all the code. And enter tab. Then write exception block. Then write except exception as E print E. That's all. Now if we given division operation, if we given 20, if we given 0, then division by 0 error will come. Division by 0 error will come. Tell me, easy? If and else now get confidence? Yes or no? No confidence? Say loudly. Monday is lazy day, I know, but not for you. Next question. The same question you can do try like this also, like Srishti has implemented, right? You can give the plus sign here. You can give minus sign here. And you can give division here, multiplication like this, division here. But this time, whenever you enter operation, you need to say to the user, okay, what you need to say to the user? If you want to perform addition operation, then enter plus symbol. That you need to say to the user. Then only user can understand, right? Which symbol use that? Now let's see. Now I'm doing the 4 times now. Now if you want to do the subtract operation, which symbol ma? Minus symbol. If you do the multiplication operation, which symbol? Into. Now if you do the which operation now? Division operation. Which symbol now? Division. And then you enter the symbol now. Now this will come. Now user will understand. Plus symbol, minus symbol. Now which symbol I want to do? Star symbol. Then enter 20, 30. Answer is equal to 600. So print will give the user information, right? Whatever you write, it will come. That is the print statement. Understood everyone? We just added more 4 statements here. We added more 4 statements. Clear? Now the same code, you can do that 1, 2, 3, 4 also. Now this time what happened? If you want to perform operation, enter 1. Enter 1. This time enter 2. Enter 3. Enter 4. But this now you need to enter which operation you want. This is input. Input means which type ma? String type. Which type? String type. So instead of place you need to give 1. Now you need to give 2. You need to give 3. You need to give 4. Same. Now again enter. Now which operation I want to perform? Fourth operation. That is equal 30 and 20. Answer is equal to 1.5. Like you can play anywhere, like your wish now. Okay. Whatever you want to do, that you can give. The logic is same. Eval means integer float type. Input means anything in string type. Anything in string type. We already learned the time also. If you want to sleep it, you can sleep also. Like import time, then time dot sleep. This operation will come first, then time dot sleep. How many seconds I want to sleep? 3 seconds. Then after 3 seconds only, the next box will come. Like that also you will do. Understood? You can play now. Now onwards you can play once your logic is fixed, like anywhere. Now if I enter 5, enter number 1 is coming, 20 and 30, but provide suitable operation will come. We are good. The next question. Yeah, can we enter 5? What will come, Mega? You only should tell. Now you should not ask me. Enter 5 will what will come? Provide suitable operation will come. That is the logic, right? Is 5 is suitable here? Fail. Here also? Fail. Here also? Fail. Here also? Fail. You should not ask me this kind of questions now. Because now you are in the above that level. You are in that above that level. Very good. Now let's do the nested if else. Nested if else. Nested if else. Now I will write the question. You try to solve it by understanding the English language, how to convert into programming language. Okay. Just try to solve. Give a try. Give a try. Write a program. Ask the user. Enter a number. If the number greater than 0, again inside enter one more if. Again inside one more if. If the number equal to 0, then print it is a 0 number. It is a 0 number. Else print it is a positive number. Else it is a positive number. How I am writing exactly the English statement, your code also should be exactly like that only. Once you condition if condition, again inside one more if. Again inside one more if. And again inside one more else. Same exactly. Same exactly should be like this. Try it. And again, finally, else condition. Else print it is a negative number. Same exactly I want like this format. Very simple question. Just follow this English language. Follow this English language. I need to log in at 10 o'clock. Otherwise, I need to stay more than 9 o'clock. That's why I'm bringing my office laptop. You just solve this. I'll just enter my attendance and I will get back. Done? Very good. Yeah, let's see same story. Like write a program as the number, right? Number equal to eval of input of enter a number. Now what is the condition? If number greater than equal to 0, then we are checking one more condition. We are checking one more condition. If you want to make a print also, print, I want to check one more condition. I want to check one more condition. Like that also you can write. Then if again, if number equal to 0, then print of it is a 0 number. It is a 0 number. Else print it is a positive number. It is a positive number. Okay, first I am removing this. Let's see. That's the same story. Same, everything is same. Understood? How many have done this? Raise your hands. Very good. Great. Great. When I enter 0, it shows negative number. Where is your code, ma? Share your code, Mega. Then else, one more condition is there. What is there? Else, then print it is a 0 number. Sorry, it is a negative number. It is a negative number. Then I'm writing 10, positive number. I'm writing 0, negative number. Why 0 negative number is coming? Okay. Now here we put greater than or equal to. Then what happened? It is 0. Then it check the 0 number. If we check the 60, positive number, minus 60, negative number. We need to keep greater than 0, equal to 0. Ma. That's the same mistake, Mega, I think you done. Yeah, same mistake. Put greater than or equal to 0. Okay, note on this. Note on this. Those who are done, next question. Write a program. Ask the user. Ask the user enter gender. Either male or female, right? Either male or female. If gender equal to male, again ask the user enter age. Enter age. First what happened? First you need to ask whether you male or female. Suppose I enter male. Then what is the next question? What is your age? Then based on the age, if age is greater than 60, then print senior citizen. If age between 30 to 60, print middle-aged man, middle-aged man. And if age between 20 to 30, then print young boy. If age between 13 to 20, then print teenage boy. And if age less than, otherwise print the boy. Say boy. Similarly, next else condition. Under else, again all this will come. (32) bed to middle-aged woman and young girl and teenage girl, and finally it's a girl. Same question, but we are using two more conditions: gender, male and female. Male and female. And tomorrow we'll create a WhatsApp group, ma. Online separate, offline separate. And don't share your class links to any other people, especially for online. The management will observe two names, three names, the same name. They will ask the question. And they'll revoke your class permissions also. Don't share to other outside people. Yes.
This meeting is being recorded.
Yeah, sure. So today we can close if and else concept, and tomorrow we will do functions. Why this much bold letter is coming, Suresh? Suppose I am entering female, entering 50 years, middle-aged woman. Very good. Suppose entering 160, middle-aged woman. That will not coming. Elif here is comes. I think instead of else we need to write Elif might be. Other than male, whatever you read written, okay, it will go to female section. Correct? Maybe you need to provide Elif, not else. You provide Elif here. And then gender equal to female you give. And finally, you provide one more else. Print, provide proper gender you can give. Provide proper gender. Then if you give anything, it will give proper gender will come. Good. Now I'll give one more question you do at home, and this question frequently we will ask in interviews. Okay. Don't do in Google and don't do ChatGPT. Don't ask to anyone. You just try it. If you get only, show me. Otherwise, you ask me. Okay. If you ask everything you to your papa, when you will become papa. Okay. That's why don't ask ChatGPT. Don't ask Google. Train your mind. Train your mind. Now the question is, write a program, ask the user, enter 3 numbers. Find the biggest number, that's all. Find the biggest number. This is the question. This we ask in frequently in interviews. Okay, try to solve it. Whatever we are doing nested if, that only nested if. You are not seeing ma? Mega? What is my nest? We are getting mega. Once if, again one more if. We can put one more if also inside if the suitable condition will apply, right? And this is called nested ifs. Getting now? Everyone, nested if means this is nothing but only nested if. If inside if. Again, like that, you can write many ifs, right? You can write many ifs, you can write. This is all called nested ifs only. No, are you seeing how many ifs here? One if, another if you are seeing. That is nested only. If you write based on one more condition, maybe tomorrow one more suitable condition will come if you want one more thing like this. Is that possible, right? And this is nothing but again if, inside if, one more if. This is called what? Nested if. Elif is nothing but extra one more condition, right? Elif is nothing but extra one more condition, that is. If you want to do create one more if condition again inside if, that is called nested if. This is already a nested if. Because we are already seeing two ifs. We are already seeing here two ifs. We already done if and if, right? Like that, there is a thing like that, there is one more condition is coming. Okay. If, one more condition. If age is equal to, suppose I am giving age is equal to greater than 150 inside, 100. Then if you want to print, because more than 100 years, people will not live, right? Very rare case. Print rare case. Okay. If more than who is living, print 100 is a rare case. Now what is coming? First is gender. Next is age. Next again it is asking again, ask one more enter number. One more number also. One more number equal to eval of input of enter age. Enter age. If that number is equal greater than 100, that is a rare case. Now what is coming? If, like that. So that is called nested ifs. So like that, many conditions we can implement. But the only use case is you need to understand the English statement properly. Like how you are understanding. That's why every question why I'm writing like this. Every question half of the answer why I'm reading like this. Because I want to train your mind. You need to understand the English question. Tomorrow the user interviewer will give the question. You need to understand the question. So that's why every time I'm breaking like this. So this is the way I will teach. If you go to the other textbooks, other trainer, they'll simply write like this only. What is the question? This is the question and do it. But I want to train your mind. What is the step-by-step approach? Then one day, maybe after 6 months, after 1 year, your mind will be like that only. You always think in step-by-step only. So then will be success. Yeah, I hope you enjoy the session. Thank you so much. And see you tomorrow. That is my condition, Mega. I think you're not understanding. You asked me about what is nested if. I am telling you that inside if I provide one more condition, that is become a nested if. Understood, Mega? Here, what condition I'm providing? This guy age is equal to 60 years. Okay. Now I want to know what is exact age. If he is the more than 100 years, I want to make his name is Guinness Book. Understand? This is my wish. I want to take a one more condition. That is called nested if. Yeah. What happened? Done. You can do it simplifying one more time also. Instead of doing if and if, put and condition here.
Yeah.
Try to this move into and here. And one more line is reduce. This is correct. This is correct. Yeah. Understood, Mega? Is it understood default? Why it will understood default?
जैसे कि अभी एंटर मेल और फीमेल है, मेल डालेगा फीमेल डालेगा, तो वो फीमेल का जो है एल्स में डाला है, अगर एल्स ये दोनों को छोड़ के कुछ भी डालना तो वो एल्स में जाएगा। करेक्ट होगा?
Correct. 100% correct.
I completed 5 to 6 from that assignment.
Okay.
6 that is
That you do whatever you can do. I will share the solution file. You can practice that. Correct, you are. Then you can remove this. Then you can remove this. You can provide your age here, right? Correct. Let's try this. Male 150. Then Guinness Book. Correct? Is working. Now understood. Now what is if and if now? Now we are making him to Guinness Book because age is equal to more than 100. This is called if condition, if condition, if condition. This is I showcase you because you asking what is nested if. Because you are confusing elif also under nested if. Okay. Yeah. Okay, ma. Thank you. Thank you so much. See you tomorrow. If you have any doubts, ask me.